Leetcode Biweekly context 182. This is question number 1. Score Validator. This is an easy problem. There's no trick for this problem, just a straightforward solution. The question lists a few conditions we want to check. The first one is numbers. The second one, W. Third, WD. Then MB. And the total score. And the total counter. And we also have to check there's a condition. If this condition met, we're gonna stop the checking, which is about the total counter becomes 10. But anyway, these are the 7 things we're gonna check while solving this problem. This is the solution.